Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I'm going to show you guys how to make quick and easy shrimp fried rice. You'll find all the ingredients throughout the video as well as in the description box. So in my wok, I brought some substantial amount of water to a boil, and I'm going to throw in 12 ounces of shrimp that I peeled and deveined, and I'm just going to let the shrimp cook for about 3 minutes. So my shrimp is done. I'm going to remove it and set it aside. I return my wok back to the flame on high heat, and I have in there a tablespoon of peanut oil. You can use any type of oil you desire. I just prefer using a neutral flavored oil. I have 2 cups of cold leftover rice. I cooked this rice last night. So I'm just going to break the rice apart and move it around to encourage the rice to heat up. So I have all the rice broken apart and it's heated through. So I'll push all the rice to one side of the pan, and I'm going to add 1 onion that I just chopped. You can add as much onion as you desire. I love onion. I'm going to just cook the onion for a minute or two. So I have the onion cooking for a minute, so I'm going to just return the shrimp back to the pan, but don't dump your bowl in there because you have some water from your shrimp that comes down to the bottom of the bowl. So now I'm going to give everything a stir together. So now I'm going to add a few more ingredients. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Hoison sauce, or you can use dark soy sauce. And I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of regular soy sauce. Give everything a toss together. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and when you subscribe, hit that little bell beside the subscription and ring it. That way you'll be notified of my uploads. And don't forget to check out my previous videos. I've been uploading a lot. Some of you guys have been missing my uploads, but I have been uploading. So, give everything a toss here. Now, this is totally optional. You don't have to add this, but I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of MSG. You don't have to add it, but true fried rice has MSG. Give everything a toss. Now, if you want to add other stuff to this, like eggs or whatever, feel free to make it your own. So I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to put in a handful of green onion. I'm going to give that a toss together. It smells so fragrant. And everything's ready. Now, if you like your rice more darker, just add a little bit more dark soy sauce or Hoisin sauce. And I'm just going to garnish with a little bit extra spice. Smells so good. I'm going to plate some of this up. Please leave a comment down below and hit the thumbs up and share this video. Wow. Really delicious. The shrimp absorbed all the flavors from the soy sauce. It's perfectly seasoned just from that. So that's why I didn't season the water when I cooked the shrimp. But believe me, everything soaks into the shrimp. The rice is beautifully seasoned. So there you have it. How to make quick and easy shrimp fried rice. Thank you so much for watching. And please, guys, let's just pray for this planet. Wow, so many things are just going on. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. See you next time.